Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to get fast delivery on Temu. So basically Temu usually takes 4 to 22 days to ship. Okay, so basically if you buy orders with the standard shipping, it can take you 6 to 22 days to ship, while orders with express shipping just take 4 to 11 days to ship. Okay, the standard shipping is free, while express shipping is about 12.90, right? If your order is under $129. Okay, so that's how long it usually takes, and that's how much it would cost. Now let's go over where Temu ships from, because most of these items on Temu they actually ship them from China. Okay, since most of the vendors and manufacturers selling items on Temu are actually based in China. So if you want to go ahead and speed up your Temu delivery, what you do is during a checkout, you want to choose express shipping. Okay. If you don't want to wait, you'll just have to pay a little bit extra. And that is if it is under $129. If it is over $129 purchase price, it is free. Okay. Express is free. What you can also do is purchase from sellers who are also closer to you, right? Because look, while orders primarily come from China, Temu actually ships from all around the world. So if you just choose to order from sellers who are in your same country or a country closer to you, that can actually help you to get your order faster. So you want to look for the local warehouse tags on the product and product page. Okay, this means that the items from your country or region. Also, what you want to do is you want to avoid placing orders during the holidays, so that you make sure you see local warehouse and buy from those. Okay, try to avoid placing orders during the holidays, because the shipping carriers actually they can get often overwhelmed during the holidays, which can lead to shipping delays. So try to place your orders during the off season or less buy shipping periods, you know, to get your order quicker when it's less busy. Okay, and of course also order items that are currently in stock. So make sure the items that you're adding to your cart are not out of stock or are on back order. This can increase the order processing times and cause Temu to take longer to ship. Okay, and of course you want to also make sure your address was actually correct, because if you enter a incorrect or incomplete address, this can really slow down delivery. So make sure everything is correct, so you don't need to change your address. Okay, and if you did make a mistake and if your order has already been packed and shipped, Temu cannot update your address. Instead, what you can do is you can call the carrier delivering your package to notify them of the update. Okay, and just go ahead and track your orders and just be patient if you have followed those steps. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.